Due to the pandemic impact of coronavirus in the community and the economy, a lot of people are finding ways in order to keep their activities moving, like schools, companies, and organizations. So some people use mobile conferencing apps like Zoom. Zoom is one of high conferencing app that people use in order to perform their conference meeting. They schedule for meeting online in order to stay safe against the pandemic coronavirus. So in this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use the Zoom app and perform conference meetings using this same Zoom app in order to stay safe against the pandemic coronavirus. So you're gonna follow me on this video. I'm going to show you the advantage of using the Zoom app and how you can use the Zoom app. By the way, my name is Abakar. Do click on the subscribe button which is down below this video. If you find out this video is interesting for you, you click on the subscribe button which is down below this video for my upcoming videos. So we are going to get it done. So first we need to go to the Google Play Store and download the Zoom app. We are going to go to the Google Play Store and download the Zoom app right now. Zoom app is one of the best conference meeting apps in which you can attend to meetings, you can attend to lectures online by just following, joining through the invitation link, that is the meeting ID or personal invitation link in Zoom app. So this is the Zoom app. We're going to see how it works. So you download the Zoom app if you want to run a conference meeting or lecture. So you can create an invitation link to users that want to join your conference meeting. So we are going to open the Zoom app. You will sign up with Zoom app where you can join a conference meeting by personal invitation link. So we are going to open the Zoom app. This is the Zoom app. So you can join a meeting, you can start a meeting or join a video meeting on the group. With this same Zoom app, share your content, they see what you see, you will be broadcasting live as the host, and your viewers will be seeing what you are broadcasting. You can message your team, you can send text, voice messages, files, and image on this same Zoom app. So if you don't have account with Zoom, you sign up. If you sign up, you activate your account, then you can join a meeting. So I've already signed up with Zoom. So I'm going to sign in. I'm going to put my email address and password. So as you can see, this is the Zoom app. I've logged in. So with this Zoom app, you can schedule a meeting. You can share the screen of your broadcast and you can join a meeting through a personal invitation link. You can join a meeting. You can join with a personal link name that the host provided for you guys, or you can attend lectures through this invitation ID that the host provided for you, or through a personal link that they provide for you. So you join when they are online with this Zoom app, and you can schedule for new meeting. So you use your personal meeting ID to start a meeting. So the people that have your personal meeting ID that you invite will see your broadcasting with this same Zoom app. You can invite people to join your broadcasting or to attend to lectures through this meeting ID that you provide. So as you can see, you can also schedule for meeting. You can invite people through your contacts in order to join your meeting. You can send them invites through their email address or through message, or you copy the invitation link and send to your WhatsApp links. So I hope you enjoy this video on how to use the Zoom app for conference meeting against this pandemic coronavirus. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you found out this video very interesting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you keep on following me in order to get latest videos online. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.